Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Rathour. I am from Kota, Rajasthan. I have done BTech in electrical from Arya College of Engineering. I have joined Sofcon India Pvt Ltd from 3rd of April and I have learned about PLC, SCADA, HMI, VFD, and various types of electrical concepts here. And the HR classes are very helpful for personality development. I am here learn about in HR class uh, positive attitude, time management, resume making. Uh, these are very critical in my job placement. Uh, I got a placement in a good company with a good pay package. Thank you.